Hello YouTube, this is Kaido Oyama, and I have an unboxing video today. This is a new Pietta Remington stainless steel revolver for 2023, so I want to see what they look like. And it looks pretty promising from what I've seen in the from my customers and from different people. It looks pretty promising, so I'm looking forward to this. And there we go. That one out. Put this baby up here. This out here. EMF. Look at that. Wow, that looks pretty nice. Yeah. Pietta today makes a very nice product. There you go. Look at that. And EMF is directly owned by the Piettas, by Alessandro Pietta. So it's a pretty good, they offer a pretty good deal to the public, and it's something that I have to say over the years they've improved. They really have improved their the quality of their product with this introduction of CNC machinery. You can't beat their the quality control. These boxes are not the best quality, so it'd be nice. I don't like the styrofoam though. That's the only thing I don't like. But other than that, see here, Pietta Brotherhood, EMF. Look at this. So they put the they redid this. They got the manual up front here. That's kind of nice. Okay, and it's indentation here, and oh yeah, some manual there. There we go. There's that baby. Yeah, that's the only thing I don't like. These things break easy. But I like the checkering here. This looks nice. Yep. So see here. Right out of the box, huh? Not bad. Not bad. Action feels nice. Cylinder. Let's see here. Okay. I wonder if these come out. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think they do. But this looks promising. It is lubed up, so that's seems to be pretty cool. Yeah. Okay, they're using a dovetailed front sight now, like the Ubertis are. That's pretty good. Looks even higher. So I actually like that. That looks good. That does look good. Nice and clean. Looks well made. So the only thing I don't like is when I have my friend Dykes Rubber put the lanyard here. The serial numbers have to be relocated onto the frame here. They got to go somewhere, either something like on the side here. That's where right up here on the side to be relocated. But yeah, I like this. These are nice, well made. Pietta Pietta has come a long way, baby, like they say. They have come a long way, Pietta. And I'm looking forward to firing this. Now, the nipples, the cones, seem to be blued. So I'll eventually use them, but I'll replace them either with slick shots or with RMC stainless nipples. They'll get replaced. So yeah, this is heavily lubed, and it's coming out of EMF's new headquarters. I have to say, even the hammer, that type of checkering is even better than before on the Piettas. They have improved them. So, yep, definitely an improvement here. But that's take a look at this here. And you see about putting some flashlight here. Okay, there we go. See the rifling. My universal bullets, 220s, 240 should fit in here fine, like that. But, yeah, that's what we got. So a little bit of blackish on here, has to be wiped out. But other than that, let's just see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think that comes from the proof house. You know, they fire these before they release them, the factory. So they actually have to fire them, and there's a test factory, a proof house rather, to fire them. And I think that's what we're seeing in the residue here from powder. I like this. It's nice, nice option for trail gun, hunting and trail gun. Yep. So anyway, that's what I got. Looks nice, and that's my unpackaging of my new Pietta 1858 patent new model Army replica percussion revolver from Pietta. Looks awesome. Stainless steel. And Pietta, you've come a long way. So it should be good with my 220 and 240 grain universal Kaido universal bullets. I wish everybody all the best, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to me for more of life's adventures. Give it a thumbs up. Wish you all the best, and until next time, this is Kaido Yama out here.